Alright, freshman multimedia students, I thought it might be a good time to actually get a tutorial video in here to show you some of the specifics of Google Classroom that we haven't gone over quite yet. So we have two official assignments now. The first one came last Friday. It's the acrostic name poem part 1, and that was simply where we went to this website right here and we figured out some adjectives that described us. So you guys got to see the Cheney Story Spectacular, which you guys are going to be putting together your own version for the end of this quarter. And so I've got my adjectives right here, and some of you were having trouble like actually saving this and getting it turned into the classroom, so I'm going to show you that. So saving the file, we always want to title it so that we can find it. So I'm going to call this Cheney Acrostic, so it has a unique name. I'm going to save it. And it's going to ask me where, and I always like to go desktop just because it's easy to find. You could do documents or downloads, just so long as you know where you're going. So I'll just save it there, and that tells me that it's saved correctly. So I'm going to go to Google Classroom. I made myself a student account so that you guys can see what it looks like from your view. So if I need to turn in what I just saved, I'm going to go over here to the assignment, and I'm going to click Open, and I'm going to add the file. And it's going to ask me where the file is, and there it is because I titled it correctly. And I'm going to upload that bad boy, and it will tell me if I want to turn in this assignment now. So I can see a preview of the file type that I did, which is good, and I'm going to turn it in. And it gives me this message that says, "Are you sure you want to turn it in?" Yes, I'm ready. Let's go. Let's turn this in. So that's how you turn in that assignment. Now if we go back to home over here, what you're going to be working on today is actually the word cloud part. So I'm going to be actually making a separate tutorial video for that, but wanted to show you a couple things around Google Classroom while I've got your attention here. Some of you may have noticed that there's topics over here to the left. What we can do with that is, so I'm adding websites that will be frequently used in this class. So far I've put our Buller High School website, I've put the BHS Typing Club, which we're going to get signed up for here pretty soon, and then the typing website that we've already been using for the past couple weeks. And again, I'll be adding to this list, so in the future if you need to go to a website that we use often, the topics box will always be over here. Now right here, this top box will always kind of give us a warning for assignments that are coming up that are due. So for instance, I've got this, word cloud is going to absolutely be due by tomorrow. You guys will actually be working on it today, so it's not a big deal. Don't freak out. And that's pretty much it. We know how to turn stuff in. You can see your classmates over here. I don't know if you guys have looked into that. And then if we click on the About section, this will actually take you to your folder in Google Drive. If you go to the calendar, you'll see what's going on. So right now for this week, we've got the assignment that's due tomorrow, and you can see that on the calendar, which is kind of neat. So if we go back to the class, anything else that I can show you? No, I think that's pretty much it. So I'll show this in class so that everybody kind of has an idea. I'm going to post it to Google Classroom in case you need to rewatch this. And stay tuned for the tutorial video on the word cloud. Peace out.